Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a whitening mulberry body scrub. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. For this whitening mulberry body scrub, you will need Yoko spa milk salt, which exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells, and it also nourishes the skin. You can also use white sugar in place of the spa salt if your skin is sensitive to spa salt. You need Giga white powder, which whitens and unifies the skin tone. You need mulberry powder, which contains vitamin A, C and E. It fades dark spots, it blends the skin and it lightens the skin. You need licorice powder, which brightens the skin, it prevents sun damage, it fades dark spots, age spots, it boosts collagen formation on the skin, it fades eczema, red spots, acne and it reduces wrinkles. You need Arbutin serum, which exfoliates the skin, removes dead skin cells, it fades dark spots, it blends and whitens the skin. You need Gluta Magic serum, which fades dark spots, dark skin patches, it whitens and unifies the skin tone. I'll be using Lavender Essential Oil, which treats acne, sunburn, eczema, it reduces wrinkles and dark spots. So firstly, I'll mix all the dry ingredients, after which I'll go in with the wet ingredients. I'm just mixing properly before adding the lavender essential oil, after which I'll mix then package. This recipe works perfectly for all skin types. For sensitive skin, you just need to use white sugar in place of the spa salt. This scrub will nourish your skin, help you get a well-blended glowing skin. It fades dark spots, scars, skin blemishes, it lightens and glows the skin. It simply gives you a flawless, smooth skin. You can try it out and drop comments on how it worked for you. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.